today's conversation posed a really challenging question. How are we going to make this energy transition that gets the world to zero emissions?
President, I would like to acknowledge the traditional custodians of the land where we're meeting today.
There's probably more investment going on at our Geelong refinery to turn it into the energy hub of the future. What that really drives is massive opportunity, and we absolutely need that growth in manufacturing for an energy transition in the longer term.
Capricorn Power is a green energy company. It turns waste heat into electricity. There are real tailwinds for local manufacturing. The move to decarbonisation means there's a huge push for coming up with new technologies.
I think the industry has come a long way since we started, and industry is now also aware of things they have to do, for instance noise prevention at a battery or at a wind farm whilst delivering renewable electricity.
Bid for projects are existing in the medical arrays. We've just got on with what we've got to do.
On those enterprises. But then the day proceeded to talk about the opportunity to collaborate between industry and universities.
From a quick step perspective,
when you engage with a relationship with industry and a partnership, you have a framework that recognises that interaction that makes that possible.
from the university sector, how do we make sure that it's easy to talk about what challenges they have and how our expertise might solve them? Return to that clarity.
Collaboration, open communication, they're all critical in having a successful project in innovation.
And the day kind of ended with the ability to innovate, new technologies, startups, and some of the success stories.
Investment attraction is a real challenge. Having said that, it's also more money than there's ever been in venture capital and angel investment right now, so there's never been a better time.
We are developing a big battery portfolio. That's one big opportunity for us, which also creates a lot of permanent jobs.
The last 2 years with COVID have really opened up everybody's eyes. We're in a really great position to seize that moment and actually say, what can we do onshore and what can we do well?
In Australia in particular, advanced manufacturing has a bright future. We're moving towards a more sustainable world, and Australia has a lot of material.
The scale of being at the forefront of that transition is a massive opportunity for Geelong and for the manufacturing sector.
But the future is looking very exciting right now. There's a lot of opportunity, a lot of great ideas and a lot of activity happening.
The event like this run by the Geelong Manufacturing Council is incredibly important. We're all proud of Geelong's long history of manufacturing.
There are now so many examples in Australia, and Geelong is playing its part, where these innovations that are being developed is becoming an Australian component rather than just an overseas component.